Hello everyone, Mike Valchuk, Building Dreams Contracting. We're in the beautiful Dundas, Ontario on one of our projects where we're going to be taking the roof off, literally, to do a second floor addition. Let's go inside and take a look. We've just started demo a couple days ago. We've got the whole inside of the house gutted right now. Now we're looking at any of the structural issues to see how far we can go with the demo before we move forward. Come on in. The floor plan in here is going to be completely changed. This mid wall here, all the way down, complete open concept. The kitchen that once was over on this side of the house is now moving to this side of the house. The whole front is going to change. We're going to be cutting windows into the side exterior wall here. We actually have this really cool linear one. It's going to be 16 inches high. It's actually going to be where the backsplash is. This is going to be a cool feature within the house. The living room is going to be down on the back side here. We're going to be going up with a new staircase that'll lead us into the second floor addition above us.